Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, my little cousin is going to be showing you guys how to make this tulle bow she made to put onto her headband, and she went with like a Halloween scheme. So we did the black tulle from, I think it was Dollar Tree, and then these pom-poms I had recently hauled from Michael's. So she put 10 and 10 for each side of her bow. And if you want to be like more specific, you can fold your regular size cardstock paper in half, and then so you know like where to put your pom-poms at. So she's just laying them flat, and then she's gonna fold. Oh, she's fixing them. And then you're gonna fold inwards, like right here, fold in, and then you want it to cover your little pom-poms, and then she's gonna fold in again and basically cover the first fold you did to kind of like sandwich it. And then you're gonna fold the ends in, and then this is the part where it gets like a little tricky. You kind of have to smooth out your bows and stuff, or push them upwards if your like little fold doesn't lay flat. You have to fix your pom-poms, maybe push them a little bit up. So that's what she was doing right here. This one wasn't being so flat, so she had to move it around a little bit. And I showed her how to make these. Well, we watched the video. Okay, so I watched the video first, and I knew that I wanted to make some of these for Halloween, just for like embellishments and stuff. And then I showed her, and I asked her like what project she wanted to do. She said she wanted to do this. So right here, she's just like pinching the bow after she has it folded. Just pinch in the middle, and there's me helping her hot glue the middle. So you don't have to hot glue. You can just put like thread or twine around, and it'll be pretty good. But we wanted to hot glue first and then put some like twine, I think it is, around it. So it's really easy. Once you just pinch it in the middle, it literally turns into a bow. And she just put a little thumbs up. And so there's like our bow, and then you just have to fix it a little bit, like shape it. And then there's the twine we're gonna use. She's trying to learn how to show on camera and stuff. And it's up to you what size pom-poms you use. You can use bigger ones or smaller ones. And if you use smaller ones, I think you'll have to put more than 10. If you put bigger ones, you'll put like less than 10. But we thought 10 and 10 looked really good. So she's wrapping the twine around. She didn't know how to tie it, so I had to tie it for her. So I just tied it around 2 times, and then she's just cutting the extra off. And I didn't mention, but the size of the tulle that we cut, I think it was 6 inches. Basically, we just cut to the size of the regular cardstock paper, because that's what we saw in the video. And this size works really good if you want to put it like in headbands. But I think I'm going to be making some for past Halloween, and I'm going to put maybe sequins in them too. I've seen that, but I'm going to make them smaller, so maybe half the size that we used here. And this was just a super quick, easy, fun little tutorial. We literally just watched the video and then tried it on our own, and it came out. So it's really, really easy and simple to do these bows, and I've been seeing a lot of them on Instagram. So here she's taking, that's her little headband she's using since she wanted to go with her Halloween theme. And then she's putting glue on the back of the bow, like in the middle. And then she's just gonna stick it on her headband. I think there's gonna be like one more thing we're gonna be doing together for Halloween. For her class, we're gonna be putting together some little treat boxes, and I'm gonna record that. So yeah, stay tuned for that. She's putting the glue in the middle of the bow so she can stick it onto her headband, but she wasn't squeezing it enough, so it wasn't coming out. But she got some. So now she's just gonna figure out where she wants to place her bow in the headband, and she's just gonna try a couple different like options, and then she ends up deciding with more like at the bottom, which I thought was really good, because you know when you put the headband on, it fits really perfect. You'll see. I added a video with her with it on, and it looks really good with the bow like down there. Her little pom-poms inside of the bow, and this is the video I recorded of her wearing it, and it looks so cute. And I just thought in the middle you could add something like a spider. So maybe next time she comes over, we could add something in there and make the rest that she has.
Bye. Thanks for watching.